JSR DevOps, my YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about how to installation of Grafana on Ubuntu Linux machine. We know that what is the Grafana? Grafana, it is a open source visualization and analytics software. It allows you to query, visualize, alert, and explore your metrics, logs, and trace no matter where they are stored. So if you want to get more details about Grafana, I'll give these links in the description. Please go through it. And coming to the point, I will installation of Grafana on Ubuntu Linux machine. So for that, I will go to this official website. Here, if you will go in the Debian or Ubuntu, if you click on it, so it will give the information how to installation of details. So I will run this commands on Ubuntu Linux machine. So first one, I will install the packages. Once done success, I will run this command to create keyrings. Then I will run this command on Ubuntu Linux machine. Once the download, if you go and check here, it download the grafana.jpg. Then after that, I will run this command. So it will create the source.list d in the grafana list. It will copy. So I'll run that command. So once that done successfully, then I'll run the repository beta release. Run the following command. So once complete the command, then I will update the package by using apt-get update. Once package download success, then I will install the Grafana. Once successfully complete the command, then I will run this enterprises command. So it asks SRY permission. Once completes, then I will run this command. So it will check the status whether installed successfully or not. Yes, the Grafana is installed successfully. Then I will check whether it is running or not state. So I will take my public IP. Now install the default port is 3000. So you can mention 3000. So after you can log in with the credential. Username is admin and password is admin. So you can choose new password. I'll choose my new password and don't forget it. And repeat once again the password. Submit. So this is the way of installation of Grafana. If you have queries, please comment in the comment section. So I will keep these links in my description. Please check. Go through it. Thank you.